Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to implement goto statements in C language. Here we shall demonstrate goto statement using loop to print 1 to 4 number. So let's start. First, we will understand concept of goto statement. Goto statement is unconditional jump statement. It transfers program control to the location of label. As shown in the syntax, when goto statement is encountered, program control is transferred to the location of label. Before writing actual program, we shall discuss about an algorithm. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to execute a task. Here, step 1 is start. In step 2, we shall initiate loop variable I as 0. In step 3, condition is checked for I less than 5. If condition is satisfied, we shall display value of I and increment it by 1. In step 4, goto statement is kept at appropriate location in program. If goto statement is encountered, then program control is transferred to label location. In step 5, if condition is not satisfied, then we shall exit the loop. In step 6, we will display message loop is finished. Step 7 is last step, that is stop. Now we shall discuss about flowchart to implement goto statement in C language. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. First, we will initialize variable I as 0 in input-output block. Next, we shall place a label in input-output block. Later, condition is checked whether I is less than 5. If condition is true, then we will print value of a variable and increment it by 1, that is I++, which is shown in process block. Later, when goto statement is encountered, program control is transferred to label location. Process repeat again and again till condition is satisfied. When condition fails, we encounter stop. Now we shall discuss actual program to implement goto statement in C language. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and kunio.h is done. In main function, we shall initialize variable I equal to 0. Label is displayed before if condition. Goto statement is shown in curly bracket. Here, program control is unconditionally transferred to label location. When condition fails, program control comes out of the loop and statement loop is finished is displayed. Here, CLRACR is used to clear the output screen and getch is used to hold output screen for a while. Now we shall execute the code in Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We will execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, we have got output as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have implemented simple loop using goto statement. Here, when I is equals to 5, loop condition fails, hence it comes out of the loop. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.